YouTube, welcome to more trades. This is an update on Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin has pulled back after this pump. We need to hold 30,656 to continue higher. It was an insane pump, a great pump. Everyone was happy due to the SEC XRP case and the dollar index tanking due to some news. You need to hold the 30,656. If you lose that, you could be coming down. Your next support 29,788. If you lose that, then you're coming down to 28,789. What I would like Bitcoin to do is pump and hold the 31,570, which is clearly a resistance we've been struggling at. We came above it, but we came below it now. 31,570. I wanted to break the 6th of July highs and to hold it, not come below it, and continue higher. If we continue higher, we could be coming all the way up to 32.5, 32.6 range, depending when we do it, if we can. That will be just my Fibonacci channel. We'll be chopping around there possibly. We've done it before. Come above, come all the way up, chop around the Fib channels, and then continue lower. Have a pullback. There you go. The target for this today would be at around 32.3. Within the next few days, 32.6. So 32.3, 32.6 is the level I'm looking at. If we can go higher, then we'd be going to those CME gaps. I'm going to be going fast because I have quite a few things to say. We have the CME gaps at around 34 to 35K range. If you look left, go here. We have this CME gap over here. You can see 34,480 all the way to 35,180. So you could be going there. The thing is with the dollar is already way overextended to the downside. You need to be aware when things are way overextended to one side, they usually pull back. So the dollar is overextended to the downside. And Bitcoin has been pulling up. You could check the volume. It's been going with volume divergence, price going higher, volume going lower. That's not very good, but that could still continue even more. Look at the dollar, Bollinger Bands way overextended, opened below the Bollinger Band. It is due for a bounce. If the dollar can start spiking up all the way to 101, that would dump the markets tremendously, but I don't think so that will happen in that fashion. Now I'm going to show you something on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also slightly extended, but not that much. But I want to show you, since I mentioned the volume, I'm going to show you the volume for Bitcoin. It applies the same thing on Ethereum, is the same. So these are big market movers. I mean, these are the cryptocurrencies that move the rest of the small cryptocurrencies at many times. Although sometimes alts can behave on their own and can spike up and down as they like. We've seen some alts behave crazily the past few days. Now look at that volume. On the daily, you could see volume declining as we're pushing up from June, but we could still continue higher. So what I'm saying is that volume is diverging, but we could still continue higher. There you go. From yesterday with the pumping, look at that. Sharp decline in volume. And now let's see what will happen as it continues. Ethereum, on the other hand, Ethereum on Binance US, Ethereum USD on Binance US. For some reason, the chart has been the prices have been way off than USDT on Binance. I don't know why. Now Ethereum, we had this overextended support to the downside is 1920. You see these two big candles, what I like to call insufficiencies. We could come down and recover them. At least 50%, that would bring you to 1950, 1960. But I believe we could come lower. So just be aware. Weekend is usually corrective, choppy. Pullbacks happen on weekends. Choppiness happens on weekends. Stagnation happens on weekends. So just be aware. Targets to the upside for Ethereum. What I said on the Discord yesterday, I said if we can continue like this, then 2,200 is very easy on the cards. And even for Bitcoin, 32,200 is very possible. Very possible. I said this before the breakout. So just mark my words. Your support over here could be this previous resistance at around 1979, where you touched almost so close and then you spiked up again. Solana, in my eyes, is a winner. Solana has already fulfilled what I've been talking about. I believe I've been giving a target when I pull the Fibonacci trend-based Fib. Target to the upside for Solana, possibly $36 to $42. I can't remember. We came so close. We hit the $34. We were very close over here on Solana. We came all the way up to 33,579. Beautiful, beautiful breakout. Your resistance finally broken. 25.731 was my resistance for a long time. You know, I said we need to break $26 to be able to see 34, but this is not a bullish candle, my friends. This is look at that wick to the upside. I'm afraid this will pull back, and then the next candle becomes a red candle to recover this big green candle. So just be aware in your trades. If you're a holder, you're doing good right now. I still have those down targets. It's very possible we come down there. Quant, and then I'll be looking at Litecoin, and I'm gonna wrap it up. Quant, levels to watch for Quant, I believe 114, but let me just let it load. 114. Quant wasn't a very great performer. Quant needs to break 114 to see 131.29. Support is 101.51. I've posted in one of my videos that I said if you wanted to long, this is a level to long. 101.51. We were there at that point, and you got a nice $5 to $10 pump, $8 actually. Litecoin has finally reached my targets. Now I need to look for new targets. A few days ago, well, I would say a week ago, Litecoin got to that level, exceeded 111. Now Litecoin came down and held this support beautifully, 94, or let's call it 95, which was a strong resistance for a while. Look at that, we've been struggling at this level for a while. Now we broke it. That's my level for support. Though Litecoin could be pulling down in a correction with an A, B, and a C, and could come lower, but it can continue higher. What we like in Litecoin is that it recovered already most of this green candle, so we're good, and it recovered this green candle. It could continue higher or come and double bottom and then continue higher, but if Bitcoin starts tanking, everything will follow. What I don't like about Litecoin is this move on the daily looks very three-wave-ish. What A, B, C, and it could be done. It looks very corrective. All right, that's my update for the markets. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the free Discord, and I'll see you on the next one. More trades, I'm out.